For decades, Greenlandic women were subjected to a hidden and disturbing policy imposed by Denmark, a secret population control program that violated their rights, their bodies, and their futures. Between 1966 and 1991, thousands of women and girls, some as young as 12, were fitted with intrauterine devices without their knowledge or consent. These devices, intended for adult women, were forced upon minors, causing long-term health issues, including severe infections, and for many, the inability to have children even after the devices were removed. By the end of 1970 alone, more than 4,000 women had been affected, roughly every second Greenlandic-born woman of childbearing age. And yet for years, the world knew little of this violation. This was not merely a failure of healthcare, it was a systematic abuse, a secret policy that treated Greenland's women as tools in a population experiment hidden from public scrutiny. It wasn't just the physical harm. The program inflicted deep psychological scars, eroding trust between Greenland and its former colonial power. For decades, Denmark maintained control over Greenland's healthcare system, even after the island was given authority over its own administration in 1991. The scars of this secret program linger in families, in communities, and in the very fabric of Greenlandic society. This week, in a historic act of accountability, Denmark's Prime Minister, Mette Frederiksen, publicly acknowledged the wrongs of this policy and offered an official apology in person to the victims. The apology, delivered in Greenland's capital of Nuuk, was just about the past. Frederiksen emphasized that acknowledging these dark chapters is essential to building a fairer, more equal relationship between Denmark and Greenland today and for the future.
I dag siger vi og siger jeg undskyld til jer, det er gået ud over. Og de grimme sider skal ikke gemmes væk. Tværtimod. For vores fortid er vi fælles om, og det er vi på godt og ondt. Og jeg tror ikke på, at vi kan få det ligeværdige og ordentlige forhold til hinanden, som mange af os ønsker, hvis ikke vi også tør åbne selv de mørkeste kapitler. Og derfor handler den undskyldning, som jeg giver i dag, ikke kun om fortiden. Den handler også om vores nutid, og den handler om vores fremtid.
The apology comes as part of Denmark's ongoing efforts to repair ties with Greenland, especially in the wake of heightened geopolitical attention on the resource-rich Arctic region. It serves as a reminder that justice for the victims of this secret population control policy is not just a matter of history. It is a moral imperative, a step towards healing, a commitment to never repeat such abuses. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.